Hi all, welcome our YouTube channel Self Defense Academy. Today I am going to show you how to escape from gunpoints. The very important thing is if someone show you gun on your head, on your face, whatever, wherever. If he is asking for you some your money or phone or whatever in your hands, valuable things, just give him. Okay, don't play with, don't try to do any escape from guns, because guns are very dangerous weapon. You don't need a second, just a second you can make you a hole. So don't try to play with gun. If he is show you like this and ask you money, whatever, just give him and escape. Okay, and you can use when you give everything and he just want to shoot you or whatever. At that time you don't have any choice. That time you can try your defense. That's the only time you can try. Otherwise you give him and go. Okay, now watch how to do this gun attack, gun defense. Then I'll show you first the single attacks, like someone show you on the front side, then showing like this at that time, and someone show you on the back side, back time, and the other one both. Right, three types of gun shoot, like gun defense. How to escape from this gun points. I hope you like it. If you like, please like our channel, subscribe and comments. Okay, thank you all. One point on the head, one guy like this. First I will show you real fast this technique. Okay, now watch here. Up. Now watch how to do this slowly. Okay, now first thing, let me show the face on your head. Right, and the first one, aim up. See, the first one you need to up his head and catch his wrist and put him down. That's the very important. Okay, watch here again, real fast. This is real fast, and after that take him. Okay, now watch here how to do that real fast. Okay, 1 second. Right, not too much time. If you take too much time, you can get a big hole. Don't make it. Okay, this is your last chance. Then there is no way. Even he is ready to kill you. At that time only you need to use this kind of techniques. Other than, be safe guys, be safe and give whatever you have, just give him and save. Okay, now next one. Alright guys, and someone show you the gun on the back side. Right, now take only seconds. Okay, only seconds. Watch here, just hands up there. Alright, now ask you, just relax your body. Okay, just relax. Alright, now turn. When you turn, like just on your left side, turn your left palm, like turn. Right, the gun is here. Now push his hand, push, gun. Alright, now watch how to do this slowly. Now watch here. Okay, just turn your body, hands up there, turn your body. Once you turn, 2 steps, like left leg back, turn, right leg forward, catch his hand here. That's very important. Okay, again, turn, catch and turn. Your leg work, watch your leg work. First watch leg work. Okay, left leg back, right leg forward, close his back to his leg and push, rotate and push him down. Always keep this gun or safe, not focus on you, right, out of your body. Okay, and after that bend his wrist, take that gun, point there. Okay, now how to make this fast, I will show you one more time. Last one. Okay, ready? Now watch here. How to make this fast. Okay, you see 1 second is 1 second. Okay, what? Front. That's it. I think, hope you guys like it. Thank you all. This time, then they are showing one on the back side, one on the front side. Okay. Now, how to escape from this? This is this kind of techniques you need to use only 1 seconds. Otherwise, it's not work. Okay. Now watch. I will show you how to do this slowly. Okay. Now, first one, I will catch the gun and rotate. Catch and rotate. That's fast. Catch and rotate. Hit and. Okay. Now, before you turn back, catch your out. This one out of your body and point his head and ask him for his gun. All right. Now, there. Clear? Now watch again. Okay. I'll show you again slowly. Okay. Catch, rotate. This is very important. Catch and rotate. Now the guy on the back side, he don't know what I'm doing on the second. Okay. Catch and rotate. Sure. This is very important. Out of your body. And ask him for his gun. Take him and point. Clear? Right. Now make it fast. Watch here. Second. Only you can use a second. Now take a breathe. Take a breathe. Breathe. Ask him for his gun and point. Okay.